Shall remain with the petitioner. Have a good day, Ms. Hartigan.
Thank you, Your Honor.
As you have seen, Ms. Hartigan's petition for a plenary order of protection has been granted. The judge was able to enter this order against Mr. Slippett without him being present because he knew he had to appear in court that day. The judge noted several forms of abuse by their statutory defined terms: physical abuse, harassment, and intimidation of a dependent. Please see our clinic webpage's Public Resources section for a link to a good explanation for laypersons. The judge also referred to some of the many remedies a person seeking an order of protection might qualify for. Please see our clinic webpage's Public Resources section for links to a good explanation of these remedies. For now, let's rewind a bit to the judge's question if Mr. Slippett was served and see what Ms. Hartigan can do if Mr. Slippett is not served. In this next scene, our two parties, Ms. Hartigan on one side and Mr. Slippett, represented by Mr. Del Rey, on the other, have proceeded to a hearing before Judge Marshall. Ideally, the multitude of resources available to you will be able to get you in contact with an attorney to represent you through what is called a contested hearing. Whether you have an attorney or not, the most important thing you can do before the contested hearing is to carefully reread the petition to refresh your memory of the facts you stated in the petition on what the respondent did to you. It is not enough to say you are afraid of the respondent. You need to be able to testify to the facts that led to this fear and be able to tell the judge what happened to you. You should bring your petition and the emergency order of protection you received with you to the hearing. You should also bring any documents you want to show the court, including text messages, Facebook messages, emails, phone messages, and photos of the abuse. For example, in Will County, you cannot bring a phone into the courtroom building without first obtaining a court order to do so, something you can ask for and get before your court date.